You're right. You can. But I can tell you what else I can do. For the same amount of money, for me to fix that real tire, where it has good power, I can take a block and make it 3 inches. Well, this thing right there addicted now. You will never want another trolling wheel.
Yeah, don't play something up now.
Yeah, buddy, it don't play around doing it.
her up. Whee, oh. Huh. That way you'll see something up in there. Like a cookie. We can break that rust killer up in there more if we can. That's the one where the daggone bed. Place right there. Pretty good in there. I didn't know that the fender wheels were bolted in them.
I didn't mean to always talk about building in there.
You want to bump that whole rig right there? Take the whole daggone thing out. My day. I didn't know that. Put it all the way around this piece. Come off the road, that's what it
What road?
like some tar spot or something.
I sure wasn't feeling nothing there.
Oh yeah, throw some Bondo over and let her eat.
Yeah.
What the eye?
All right, come on.
I called Sarah this morning. She said, "What?" I said, "What are you doing? Sleeping." They got back at 1 o'clock, I think she said.
Well, that was a bunch of teachers from the charter school.
I think it's got to be a little bit of forming done. Probably don't need to weld that back to this until we get that fitted.
Yeah.
And looks to me like probably need to weld that corner right there first.
That up left corner.
This top left corner. And then work this way and work this way and make it come together as you go. And then when you get there, you can form it to that above part right there and this piece down here. And that inner fender piece ain't got the same angle. That there's near about straight, and that piece there's got a little bit more curve in it.
Yeah.
So you might.
Alright guys, I got you zoomed in too much. We got this back corner of the bed here that was bad. We got that cut out in the inner panel. We got it cut out. Oh, daggone camera lens dirty or something. Okay. It's but anyway, we got as much rust proofing up inside there as we can. We got the patch cut. It goes right there. So we'll get right to weld that in here in just a few minutes. And got the cleaning back here on the where the tailgate goes, and we found 2 or 3 little spots, so we went ahead and Barry went ahead and cut them out. Rust proofed all behind them. And got the new patch panels cut to go in. And Tristan, Barry's boy, is supposed to be here in a few minutes. He's a pretty good welder, so he's gonna weld them up, and I ain't got to do it. Sounds like a plan to me. But anyway, guys, that's what we're just piddling on today. Nothing, not a whole lot going on, just messing around. But anyway, if I can remember to turn the camera back on, I will when we start welding this stuff in and getting it fitted to where it's supposed to be. Alright, I'll get back with y'all shortly. Okay guys, we're about to get Sunday morning now. We got to working on this daggum bed patch yesterday afternoon. And never did anything about turning the camera back on. But anyway, you got it welded in. Got a little skim coat of Bondo over it. And just shot some primer over it just to see what it looked like. A few little dinks we had right here. Got them took care of. And yeah, back here, weld a patch panel there. And well, one little small one there, and one there. And as far as we know, that's the end. Well, I'm about to get my phone on. That's the end of the body work. We get that touched up and made all happy. We will be ready to paint this rig. And a few little up here on the top of the bed. I forgot about those. We got a couple little places right there. With the toolbox gonna go over all that anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But anyway, we did stick a one of them Riley wheels on there, and to me that looks so much better. Other than that's a 32-inch 1150, 32 1150. We need some 1250s on it, but that looks a whole lot better than that mess to me anyway. So, but anyway, guys, that's what we're doing. That's what we got finally finished up yesterday, and I think I'm gonna get right and start pulling the front fenders off this thing, get them off, I'm out of here, and we'll go from there. So, all right, guys, let's see y'all on the next one.